So in this video we are going to learn how to add CSS in a HTML document. So let's get started. So basically first of all we should know what is CSS. So CSS is Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to make a HTML document look better. For example, if we generally write a code in the earlier video, I have told you how to write a code. So I have already told in that video what is title and about tags too. And if you are a beginner, then you can move to that video given in the last of the video. After completing this, you can go there. Or if you have no knowledge about HTML, then you should move there. I have given its link. It's my head title. When I close head. So we are going to save this as I generally use Google Chrome, but in the past video I'm using Microsoft because it's new. So if we will look at the body text, the body over here, we will be adding CSS. Yes, we will, but this looks quite it's not good, and we have to add a CSS. So what we do, for example, if we have to add color, so first of all you should know, as you already know, that this is title and this is body. So we know that this is title and this is body. This is the location. So how to change this? First of all, we will let you know. Our question will be in your mind: how many? So wait, no, it's not like, but I will check it later. So let's move ahead. So after title, we will do one thing inside the head. We will add a style tag, like this style. We will write body. We will do curly brackets and background colon, sorry, not colon but hyphen, color. Sorry, color should be in American English as it contains American words COLOR, not COLOUR, because it's British word. So color would be red. So that means the background, which means that the background that is over here will be red in color. What's happening? Yeah, so background will be red in color. We'll give it a colon and write color. We will write only color. It will depict the color of the text. So the color of the text will be yellow. We'll write simply yellow. We'll close it. We will close the style. It's a container element. If you want me to make a video on tags and elements, you must comment. Style finished, everything. Now save. What was the we will just go to the document. We'll just refresh the page and we will see that our text is in red color and our background is red in color, and it's in yellow color. So basically it makes it more effective. That means our website will be more effective, as you can see in this video already. So wait, so as you know that I was doing this, so question will be in your mind, by wait, let's not just do this now. I'm going to show you one more thing. Just put it in, just I think we should just wait, yeah, so it's what's happening, Brian's, wait, just cut it and move it back head. So it's our normal document, but we want that to be there. So what we will do, body, here you can see body style. So you will be asking what I'm doing. I'm not going to change this anymore. I'm going to make it similar like this only, but other tappings, as you should know that one program can be written many types. So if we will look at that, so by how many types CSS can be added. So there are 3 types by which CSS can be added, and I'm going to name them. So the CSS that we are not going to learn in this video is exterior for sure. If you are willing to learn it, so you should see a next video which I will be uploading soon. So there are 3 types: inline, external and internal. So you can see this chart and can take this screenshot too. Inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. We are not going to learn external CSS, but we are going to learn these 2 types of CSS. So if you will look down for inline CSS, you can see this. I have given you the I've given you the link to this page. So now I'm going to show you the text, which is this doc type HTML, which represents HTML5, HTML external, its website, head, title, head, body. So you can see that H3 is to be like this, so it's inline CSS, which we are going to learn now, and the earlier you learned was internal CSS. We will not learn external CSS, it's quite hard. Okay, so let's move on to here. So you can see, whoa, what happening? Let me check my camera once. So body style, wait, it's really giving this, and I'm going to go here only. What's happening, I don't know. So link is in the description for the web page. I don't know why this is happening. I think because it's mobile, but friends, it's really very irritating for me. because my last video was not this much big, and that's why I think it's my internet is not working too. So we write style over here, STY. So we will write like this. You can see body style is equal to, I will write color and give a hyphen to it. Sorry, not hyphen, but we will give colon to this, semicolon, and we will write the value. Just simply just call inline CSS. But that's, we are going to learn it later in detail. In this video we'll learn internal CSS, and that's how it's made. And if you want to take the screenshot, and I'm writing it once more, title, after title we will be writing style, STYLE, body, curly brackets, background color. This time I'm going to change the values so you can make a difference. Curly brackets close, style finished. Save it. It was actually saved, we didn't need it to saved. And we can see the document. No, sorry, we have to save it because it will change like this. If you like the video, please like it, share it. If you want to dislike it, you can do the same, but please like or dislike it. Even make it most disliked video, or even give it 100 likes, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn CSS, then you can come to this channel anytime and have a comment. Thank you, friends.